Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold price has moved in the last 2 days and how the gold price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart, what we can see that the gold price is now currently at 1765, and I've already told you that if the price goes below a level of 1780, we can see it can go further low. Why I've said you this? Because we can see the chart is in the downtrend. If you look at from this trend, it is continuously from mid of November it is moving a downside. Okay, before that, if you have any doubt regarding gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, mail ID given in the description. Okay, see, hope you and look at the chart. Okay, so now what I want to tell you is that look at the chart. If we look at the trend, overall trend, that we can say yes, after making this particular support, it is in this zone. Okay, and if we look at from a month view, we have seen that from this mid of November it is continuously in the downtrend, but now it is in this zone. Okay, and why I said that it can fall below 1780, because we have seen it is moving in this particular zone. So once this zone, a zone of 80s, once this candle has break downside, we can see it could have fall further, and we have seen that the price has come down to 1767. Okay, see, now what we can see looking at the chart, we can see that if the price didn't sustain this level, then it can go further low to a level of 1766, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1762. Okay, so once this price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1758 also. Okay, and from there, if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1752. And suppose if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1746. Okay, so now if the price didn't sustain this level, then probability is high that it can go and touch a level of 1761, and from there we can see the next support coming at around 1759. Okay, and if the price didn't sustain that level, then we can see yes, it can go and touch a level of 1750, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1746. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, okay, because once this level is break downside, that means if goes below a 60, then probability will be very high of coming down to 1750, because this is a support which is already tested here, so chances will be very high we can see it can go and touch a level of 1746. And if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1737. Once 1737 is touched, then we can see yes, this range will break out, and then we can see probability of reaching 1721 is very high. And once this, if it comes close to this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 1716, and from there we can see if this 1716 is already so 1760, if it crosses downside, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1680 also. Okay, so keep this in mind, because all this level is already tested here, so chances will be very high we can see further low. So keep this in mind, what I'm saying, that if the price goes below a level of 1765 or 1760, then probability is high it can go further low to a level of 57, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1739 also. Okay, and from there if it goes below this level 1739, then we can see yes, probability is very high it can go and touch a level of 1722, and these levels are already tested. So what we can see further downfall in the price of gold and can touch a level of 1708, and from there we can see it can go fall further. But suppose if the price, and I have already told you that a mail ID I've given in the description, plus stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com is the mail ID. You can clear it out, or you can mail me. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, okay, so probability is high it can go and touch a level of 1774, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1782, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see yes, probability is very high it can go and touch a level of 1791. Okay, once 1791 is touched, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1794.83 also, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1799. Okay, once 1799 is touched, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 1808, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1814 also. Okay, see, this is the level where we have seen it is being tested. So probability of, if it goes above a level of 1806, probability of reaching 1815 is very high. And once if it touch this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1824, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1828. Once this level is crossed upside, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1834, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1849. Okay, so once this level is crossed, this is the range which is very important. So keep this in mind. I have already explained in my previous video, if the price goes above 1880, then we can see it can go touched a level of, it can touch level of 1849, because 1831 is already tested 3 times. Okay, so we can see it can go and touch a level of 1860 also if it stays above a level of 1849. Okay, and then we can see further upside, and I've already told you 1845 is a very crucial point where we have seen if the price of gold stays above this level, we have seen a movement upside, or if it goes below this level, we have seen that it has moved a downside of around $30 to $40. Okay, so any doubt you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.